Hello, team.
True self
Hello.
is without form.
Hey,
Hello, everybody.
wasabi.
Hello. I need to go quickly close a window. Move back.
Violence always be the solution?
Bonjour. Attackers incoming in
Let's hold high left.
I have no time for such frivolous pursuits.
Ryan, you coming? Welcome. Drop your shield when you get bubbled.
Just in the back.
Oh, never mind.
You're going high ground.
Yeah, come down now.
Oh,
Come down.
serious, yeah.
Okay, one. Mercy one.
Creed is good.
Zen, go on the high ground this night.
Find this. Let's see this.
Help, hey, someone.
Okay, one. Kill him. Kill him.
Yeah,
I'm
No one can hide.
wait.
Ignore that one.
Is there one humble?
That happened.
Repetition is the path to mastery.
No, I switched, sorry, by the way. I couldn't get any energy.
It's pilot. Still in that. Try and get energy.
Actually, that's a good idea, dude. They haven't done.
Yeah, exactly. Just walk in and be aggressive. It's the only way to play Zarya.
Go back. Go back.
Please find me.
Where?
Go back Zarya, please.
Pain is an excellent
Roadhog's
teacher.
fine if he can play Roadhog better than he can as Zarya.
Oh, he's.
No,
I'd
he's
rather
okay.
him be on the hero that he
I didn't
prefers.
get any energy
That's the one?
when I did any.
No recall?
Embrace
I think
tranquility.
the Tracer behind somewhere. Creed on top, Creed is good.
Yeah,
Stay near the McCree. You'll hit
Mercy,
him.
and I don't know who is behind me.
I'm going high
Mara
ground.
is good.
Then stay with the McCree. Otherwise that happens. Drop your shield and repair it.
This is not the fun.
Seven with him?
Stay with the McCree, he said.
They have to have now.
The cycle begins.
I need a doctor. Need healing.
I'm behind you. You can stay there. You got 20.
Thank you.
Sorry, I have to grab 100%. Is he in here? Thank you. Let me kill her.
Zen, get closer. You've got your ult. Come closer.
Yeah, I was just backing out to the green.
They're going in the right.
We want to bait you now, so come close.
There is disquiet.
Need it in?
Need healing.
Stay with us.
Need a doctor.
Kill the Mercy in the back. No, it's...
Nice. Right, jump the round. We got time.
This guy's gonna piss me off telling me what to do.
Where does it
If you'd have took the death, I could have rezzed you.
Hey, work down, work down.
Three, two, one. Tracer behind you, I've got you, it's fine. Regroup on point, everybody.
Sorry, I have to grab again, and we have no chance. Fuck it, then.
Just stop slowing shit then, I'm gonna get your ult. Just frag out. I'm gonna heal for a minute. Just keep throwing, get that shield down. Behind, Moira to the left. Nice. Tracer behind again.
mercy in the right?
Right, you've got it, cool. Only use it now on Graf. Save it otherwise.
Fine.
I'll just res you if you die.
I'm going Genji.
Don't need to save it for grab. Say Black Hole,
Let's get it this time.
or Doomfist, or just
I hope I get it in time.
Dragon and Mercy. Just it through then. Doom this. Careful, Doomfist.
Just stay grouped up and you can do nothing.
Another, she's gonna grab now.
Tracer behind, Tracer behind, Tracer behind. Dead. Someone get the Tracer. Tracer this.
Use your ultimate in this instance if you have to.
My ultimate is charging. I require healing. They have returned from death.
Did she use the grab?
Yeah, we...
She used it?
Ages ago. So she's probably got another one soon though. Okay, let's regroup.
I'm going Zarya again.
Adversity is an opportunity for change.
Doomfist
I
this.
need healing.
Keep it in one.
You've got to be fucking kidding me.
You just had the perf. Let's get it to overtime at least.
Alright, they can't blame me for not
Give us
grabbing that.
overtime,
They
stick
told
to
me
overtime.
only to grab.
Sure, we'll see.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Yes.
I should have tried that dragon.
Those all idiots are this game.
Oh my god, how did that... how did that Doom live?
Excellent teacher.
What do you normally play, dude? Play like a DPS?
He did good.
Fun.
you really can't blame him.
Oh, well, I'm not blaming, but what do you play? If you don't play Zarya, what do you play, dude? Healer?
Dude, I play fucking hard, dude.
I'll say, okay. Never mind.
Let Ham play Zarya.
Yeah, want me to play Zarya, dude? You wanna go?
Play Hog.
I couldn't get any energy. They had like fucking in the store, like, I don't know, McCree and Tracer, dude.
You need to be more aggressive then, as Zarya. You're not getting energy.
I went fucking hard and looked, I had like Doomfist and some shit, dude. And nobody damaged him when I'm hooking him. I hit like fucking 4 times and he didn't die. No damage on him.
Oh, we have it now. I have it now.
Should have tried. I just should not listen to them. Just should have listened.
Can you go Hanzo again?
My preference to see to matters personally.
He's left the voice
I
shot.
will see them done.
I'm not surprised.
Attack commences in 30 seconds.
Consider only victory. Make defeat an impossibility in your mind.
Alan, play Hanzo. I'll play Zaya.
Yeah, we need a healer though.
Go. It's okay.
Capture objective A.
Let's go left. Left, left, left. Come on. We're just gonna go on the point. Stay left. Okay, maybe not.
Monkey in the back.
Monkey.
One, Ryan, go. Ryan, go. I've got a pull.
Maridas.
Hiya!
Anyone with me?
Hanzo. Hanzo 1.
Where's the McCain? He's somewhere behind it.
Yeah.
Just
I'm on the
literally
object.
stay with me.
Okay, nice. They're getting C9'd. Only Mercy on point. Come on, Tracer. Get the take. Come
Come on,
on.
sniper. Go.
Monkey's low.
Get
Monkey's
in
low.
there. Sniper, take the very aggressive. Go.
Taking the point!
Group up with me.
They have no
Do we
healers.
get a take?
Go on the point.
Yeah, go on point. Nice.
Where the fuck is everybody? What are you doing?
No, I respawned you.
Oh, she's back.
But I can't get rockets my way. Really?
Find their weakness and claim the objective.
Should try and
Need healing.
Escort the payload.
The cycle begins anew. Gaze into
Need healing? Need healing, please. Thank you.
Monkey literally 1.
Do not be discouraged. Everyone begins
I got Shatter.
No, maybe you can.
Maridas.
Push him.
Nice.
Oh, I have no recall.
3
My bad.
people on point.
It's okay.
You can go Winston there.
Jump
Dion.
fist behind. Monkey
Monkey.
on top.
My ultimate's ready!
Block this.
The fuck is the game doing?
Yo.
Leave this.
Hiya! Hiya!
I got sit down.
Huge.
Monkey this.
Get Ryan.
Monkey. Ryan.
Ryan.
Okay, my bad. It's totally fucking my fault. Holy shit.
Monkey this.
we got it.
No,
Okay,
Messi this.
He's actually dead, but yeah.
I'm on fire.
It's okay, it's
Check
okay.
spawn. Check spawn quick.
I
I
need
think
healing!
Doomfist is in their spawn. In their own.
Hi!
No one actually.
Wait for me with the gravity.
Yeah. Ryan, swing. Go.
Oh,
Ryan
my
this.
God, yeah, I did play him.
Okay.
No, that wasn't me.
Their compass not
Need help?
tranquility.
I wanted to get a sneaky shit to like charge the
healing.
business. No done.
Pulse bomb ready!
Oh,
Go, grab now. Grab. Use it.
that was bad play by me.
Overconfidence is a
I
flimsy
shatter
shield.
again.
Let's keep this moving.
They have a
Yeah,
Bastion now. They have a
Push
Bastion
card,
now.
push card. Okay, okay.
Ryan, stay in the car a sec. I'm gonna get
Yeah,
some
yeah,
power. Got a bubble. Alan.
Bashing this. Bashing this. Doing behind.
Your strike.
It's huge.
Doing this
It's
behind. Doing
one
that.
card.
What's the one? Oh fuck, they have a weapon. No, I missed one dude. Come on. I would switch the things to give a monkey and easy win. And guy diving.
Hiya!
The cycle begins anew. Walk in harmony.
You ready, Diva?
My will.
Let's go right, dude. Go right.
Group up!
Go, go. Go right, stay right.
How did that not get you?
Get back. We were just feeding. Get back, get back.
Oh, it was just out of range.
Repetition is the path to mastery. Open your mind.
We got Bastion, come on.
Payload in transit.
I run puck.
Doing this. Doing this.
What's his one?
Look it. Run.
That's it. Boys. Why not shut up?
Nice.
Haven't had enough?
Jump.
Overconfidence is a
That's one horse, alright.
They,
true self
whatever you feel like.
without
We can hold him with the line.
Hiya! Be right back!
And we have the combo.
Hi!
Can you play Mercy, dude? Or,
I can go Mercy if you can't play Ryan.
Get behind.
No, that's better.
Fine.
Yeah, that's fine.
Where are we holding?
Top left.
Yeah.
And then,
I thought you were where going and standing back.
gaze.
you need to get on over there. As soon as we lose this point, you need to go stand behind the boat. So Mercy can fly up to you. Okay, where are me?
Wait, what?
When we
Yeah, I
lose
mean-
this wedge, you need to go stand up there.
Yeah.
Ryan, when I bubble you, drop your shield.
They're going main. They're going dive now. I'm gonna get them a creep before he hits me.
Look at this.
Okay, drop down on the point to the right.
I return.
Look at this.
Do not let them win.
They're going bridge it now.
Get them McCree. Get them McCree. He's on the same floor.
Doing this.
Don't
Doom
let
fist
up!
one. Doom
Oh,
fist
no,
one.
I'm
Doom fist one. Come on,
I need
let's go.
healing!
Thank you. I'm gonna get him a creep.
Right side.
Left side as well.
Monkey.
Yeah.
Go.
Monkey.
McCree one. McCree.
My servants never die! I need healing!
Nice. Good job, dude.
Good job.
then we go dive.
No, stay the same. Just instead of Zen, go Lucio, dude.
Select your
Alright.
Go Ryan Zarya and Mercy. And, yeah. The club.
Hi! Hiya! Hi!
Let's show them what we can do.
Have your shield.
Hiya! Be right back.
attack commences in 30 seconds.
Nothing's gonna stop me.
Hiya!
Do you want to go right and all the way around, or do you want to go down the middle?
Let's go main. Speed boost to the left. Easy club.
Yeah, straight to point.
Okay, Ryan.
I'm gonna show you guys.
Speed boost, yeah.
Enemy seen.
Kill him. Punish him.
Let's get you healed up.
No, why are you going, Ryan? The
Let's go.
Go in.
Left side. Come on.
Go.
Get to point. Okay, go.
It's gonna make you feel better.
Moira's left.
Check this out.
The diva, get the diva.
Get back.
Well, McCree one in the back. No. Help. And give. Big bubble, dude.
McCree. Fuck out of here.
No, dude. There's one.
Push on.
Get the monkey.
Lord.
Oh, let's break it.
GG.
Hashtag we are noise.
Play of the game.